Welcome, today I am with Citroen C3 2020 and I will show you how easy you can turn on or turn off rear fog lights. So at the first, now we have to take a look of this on this knob that we can find here in this place, and at the first we have to turn on the D-pad lights. So twist this knob like that. As you can see right now, the D-pad lights are turned on. And to turn on, to activate the rear fog light, you have to also use this knob switcher. As you can see right now, they are turned on. To turn them off, just make it like that. As you can see, right now they are turned off. And basically, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.